Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR attendance from the 2023 Wade 8. We have Brad Keselowski's King's Hawaiian Next Gen car, the 2023 variant of it. On the back, you can get Ryan Blaney's Duracell car, Ross Chastain's Kubota, Ty Dillon's Ferris car, and Kevin Harvick's Sunny D car. And there's many more in that wave. Let's get Brad Keselowski out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which is the number 6, Brad Keselowski, his name with the American flag, the King's Hawaiian logo, and the sticker looks a lot like the side of his car. So here we have Brad Keselowski. I'll lower the screen now so you can see it. So Brad Keselowski's new sponsor when he came to RFK Racing was King's Hawaiian, and they are a bread roll company. And it does look pretty delicious. Obviously for the King's Hawaiian car, it's orange. But the difference is that coming into the 2023 season, they removed the blue and replaced it with white, and they now have these gold bands instead. Obviously, the car still is the same with the King's Hawaiian logo, the silver 6, the King's Hawaiian logo on the side of the car. And obviously, you got Slider Sundae, which is something that, you take a King's Hawaiian roll and make it into a little sandwich. Yum. It actually does sound good. You got Slider Sundae, King's Hawaiian on the back, and Slider Sundae. Overall, this is a good-looking car, and I do think I do prefer the white instead of the blue. Well, I don't know. What do you guys think? Was this the 2023 car better, or the 2023 paint scheme better, or the 2022 paint scheme? Here's a 360 view. And that'll conclude today's video. Well, guys, thank you for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.